Virtual Beings News Summary July 23, 2025. The virtual idol Nevis, developed by South Korea's SM Entertainment, released her second single, Sensitive, marking continued commercial growth for virtual idols. Meanwhile, the Virtual Music Award 2025 summer event, a prominent festival celebrating virtual musical performances, released official merchandise illustrating the mainstream appeal and commercial potential of virtual music groups. Virtual YouTubers, VTubers, exemplified by Jordi van den Busch's AI-powered character Blue, are gaining millions of views through the utilization of advanced AI video generation tools. Mia Zelu, an AI influencer, attracted significant attention by appearing virtually at events such as Wimbledon, leading to a broader discussion about AI influencers and deepfake-generated personas. Netflix and Disney have both adopted generative AI startup character AI's Avatar FX technology, enhancing their ability to produce highly realistic animated avatars for streaming content. SAP introduced the Joule Agent Discovery Workshop, highlighting use cases for agentic AI and featuring avatars as virtual presenters. Grok introduced anime avatars and furry companions as part of its latest AI-driven update, highlighting the expanding role of virtual avatars in digital platforms and applications. DBS Bank introduced iCoach, a generative AI virtual persona named Ren, designed to help employees explore career opportunities within the organization. Prize AI Technologies integrated blockchain solutions into arcade and gaming platforms, leveraging virtual avatars for enhanced user experiences. Qualcomm's investment in smart glasses, such as Meta's Ray-Bans, integrates avatar technology into daily consumer experiences, signaling significant market growth in wearable tech combined with avatar-based AR applications. The telehealth company Hims & Hers Health continued expanding virtual care services, utilizing virtual avatars as interfaces for personalized patient interactions and remote healthcare delivery, aiming for substantial growth in the telemedicine market by 2030. A new teletherapy platform integrated AI-driven emotion recognition and avatars for improved psychological treatment and emotional engagement in remote mental health interventions. Epic Games released the MetaTailor Unreal Engine Bridge plugin, facilitating rapid and detailed avatar customization for meta-humans within Unreal Engine, enhancing realism and personalization in gaming and virtual production. Significant concerns arose around the ethical implications of AI influencers such as Mia Zelu, whose realistic presence at live events prompted calls for regulation and ethical scrutiny. The Partnership on AI, alongside other bodies like UNESCO and the AI Now Institute, continues promoting responsible AI practices, underscoring ethical challenges inherent in developing and deploying realistic virtual humans. According to recent studies, 72% of U.S. teenagers have engaged with AI companions, predominantly chatbots designed for personalized conversations, ranging from casual interactions to serious advice and emotional support. Shy's Grok released customizable 3D animated companions, including a child-friendly version named Baby Grok, despite previous controversies, illustrating increasing commercial interest and application of AI companions in daily life and social interaction. Meta Reality Labs showcased innovations including ultra-wide field-of-view headsets aimed at enhancing avatar-driven immersive storytelling and social interaction. Netflix and Disney utilized virtual production powered by AI-driven visual effects for their content creation processes, further highlighting the media industry's increasing reliance on avatar-based synthetic environments and AI technology to enhance storytelling experiences. The AI video content industry increasingly integrates virtual beings into mainstream workflows. Educational roles like those at Houston Properties team seek creators familiar with avatar creation platforms such as HeyGen and Synthesia. These tools produce lifelike AI-generated avatars for video content, demonstrating the professionalization of synthetic character deployment in real estate marketing and education. On YouTube, Ailey's Digital Human Class series showcases advanced production techniques in AI video design, using digital humans to teach cinematic storytelling. Disney's scaffold avatar technology offers a major leap in digital human realism by blending patch-based facial expressions with 3D Gaussian splatting, further expanding digital humans' roles in narrative animation and entertainment production. The Ready Player Me forums reveal challenges users face integrating avatars into social VR platforms like VR Chat, underscoring the importance of avatar interoperability and immersive entertainment. A compelling example of AI clones in therapeutic settings comes from the Uplift Resilience Academy, where an AI clone named Professor X, modeled after a bomb blast survivor in Afghanistan, serves as a digital guide. This AI clone is employed to support other veterans in healing, showcasing how synthetic characters can function as trauma-informed virtual companions. The project demonstrates the use of AI-generated digital humans not merely for interaction but also for deeply personal recovery, emphasizing their relevance in mental health and resilience training. Kazuma Onishi's research, hosted on ResearchGate, explores cybernetic avatars, CAs, as instrumental in creating an avatar symbiotic society. These avatars enable individuals to overcome physical limitations by acting as embodied digital extensions of the self. Similarly, discussions on SSRN investigate user engagement with digital humans, focusing on design perceptions and cultural adaptation. These studies contribute to the understanding of how virtual humans and avatars can be embedded in society as tools for identity extension and intercultural interaction. On LinkedIn, posts from professionals like Guido Jongen highlight the entry of digital humans into corporate governance spaces, suggesting a future where synthetic characters may contribute to or even replace certain roles in boardroom decision-making. The ICT, Institute for Creative Technologies, at USC also continues to play a central role in research and application of digital avatars, particularly in simulations and virtual environments for defense and training. Additionally, companies like NewCode.ai are hiring AI-curious developers to build products around artificial intelligence, indicating the growing demand for expertise in digital human systems in enterprise technology stacks. Reddit posts such as those in the Cyberpunk 2077 community illustrate how NPC, non-playable character, behavior is becoming more sophisticated and human-like. Users discuss new third-person mods that enhance realism by simulating nuanced responses and expressions, reflecting ongoing efforts to make synthetic characters in gaming feel more alive. NPC mods in games like Melon Playground and Barrow Trauma are also becoming more popular, showing user interest in customizing and expanding virtual human interactions in gameplay. The departure of VTuber Ironmouse from the talent agency VShojo over unpaid dues highlights the increasing professionalization and monetization of avatar-based personas. With over 1.3 million followers, Ironmouse represents a successful case of a synthetic character functioning as an online entertainer, merging influencer marketing with virtual being technologies. This development reflects broader shifts in how audiences engage with digital celebrities and how synthetic personas are being managed within talent and content industries. Meta-human tools, widely discussed on platforms like Fab and Unreal Engine forums, enable the creation of high-fidelity digital humans for use in gaming, film, and simulation. Products such as Lydia and MetaHair 45 Groom presets allow developers to create photorealistic, emotionally expressive virtual beings. Meanwhile, Convai's developer forums describe use cases such as avatars simulating news readers connected to external APIs, demonstrating real-time, information-driven AI avatars capable of delivering dynamic content. LinkedIn and SSRN posts underscore the societal implications of integrating digital humans into various domains. As digital humans begin to assume more public-facing and professional roles, ethical concerns arise around authenticity, identity, and transparency. The AI clone used in veteran healing also prompts discussions about the psychological and ethical responsibilities involved in replicating human personas for emotionally sensitive applications. Several case studies showcase virtual beings revitalizing cultural and artistic expression. During the 2025 Beijing Qi Creative Performance Week, a virtual Nezha interacted playfully with a human host, and a speculative 2077 version of the Grandview Garden was extended into cyberspace. These integrations of virtual humans and cyber settings brought renewed attention to traditional Chinese storytelling and operatic performance. Similarly, Youku's cultural programming combined XR, extended reality, and digital human characters, with director Wang Xiaonan emphasizing the technical precision required to ensure lifelike realism and a sense of depth in scenes. In another instance, the AI-generated virtual figure of a fictional influencer deceived audiences, including a prominent Indian cricket star, underscoring both the technological finesse of current AI-generated avatars and the public's difficulty in discerning their artificial nature. China's digital human industry has experienced significant growth, particularly in live-stream commerce and enterprise engagement. ByteDance's digital human team, supported by its Volcano Engine AI model infrastructure, launched the Chimera platform, which includes interactive, broadcasting, and live streaming digital human models. These tools are now widely used across platforms like JD.com, Taobao, Baidu e-commerce, Douyin, and Kuaizhou, allowing brands to reduce livestream operating costs by 80% while increasing gross merchandise volume by an average of 62%. Local governments in regions such as Beijing, Guangdong, Zhejiang, Anhui, and Changqing have issued policies to support the expansion of digital human applications, particularly virtual anchors and customer service agents. Baidu's e-commerce operations now use over 100,000 digital human hosts across sectors, reflecting how AI avatars are deeply embedded in commercial live streaming and marketing strategies. The Electronics and Telecommunications Research Institute, ETRI, in South Korea developed immersive remote collaboration technologies centered around digital humans. Their system integrates real-time stereoscopic digital human rendering using binocular video input with HMDs, head-mounted displays, and generative AI. Aimed at improving telepresence, this setup recreates nonverbal interactions such as facial expressions, eye contact, and handshakes through digital humans in VR/AR environments. One key element is an exoskeleton-based active virtual handshake system, enhancing haptic feedback and realism in remote professional interactions. This demonstrates how digital humans are advancing from representational avatars to functional participants in tactile, human-like communication for enterprise and potentially medical use. ByteDance's Chimera digital human platform is a comprehensive AI-driven solution capable of generating and operating digital humans across multiple formats. Launched officially in April 2023 during the Volcano Engine Force Conference, the platform introduced three model types: interactive, broadcast, and live stream-focused digital humans. These digital beings are designed to listen, speak, and think, indicating a triad of sensory, expressive, and cognitive capacities enabled by AI. The Chimera platform has received Foundational Capability Certification from China Academy of Information and Communications Technology, reflecting its maturity and strategic role in ByteDance's broader AI expansion. In parallel, the company, Kuangfu, introduced highly realistic digital human models capable of real-time dialogue with zero latency, optimized for smooth interaction and deployment in business scenarios, illustrating the technological race for increasingly lifelike AI companions. In cultural revitalization projects, virtual humans serve as anchors for conveying regional identity and heritage. Shangtan University created a virtual character named Saluo, a young Dong ethnic boy, as the central figure in an initiative to document and promote the traditional architecture, costumes, dance, and legends of the ancient Shangbao Dong village. The character is accompanied by digital companions such as Ashwen the Tree Guardian, forming a narrative framework to represent intangible cultural elements through animated storytelling. These examples highlight how avatars can serve as both preservation tools and engaging interfaces in educational and cultural outreach. In Germany, the interactive digital human market is under analysis for its evolving segmentation and data trends, indicating commercial and regulatory interest in the development of synthetic characters. Separately, the German outlet Geo explored the concept of eternal life through avatars, examining Jenseits apps, afterlife apps, that simulate conversations with deceased individuals using AI-generated avatars. These applications raise ethical questions about consent, memory, and identity in the digital afterlife, reflecting a growing concern with how avatars extend personhood beyond biological life and blur the lines between memory preservation and simulation. China's broader digital human strategy was emphasized in a Russian-language report, describing how the nation treats personal data as a convertible digital asset within a national ecosystem. As of June 15, 2025, new policies were enacted to formalize and operationalize this transformation. Virtual humans are a key part of this data ecosystem, serving as interfaces and embodiments of digital identity within smart governance, retail, and public services. Additionally, South Korea's presidential office announced plans to scale its domestic biotechnological industry, including a focus on the field of digital bios, where synthetic and biological digital representations converge, underscoring a state-level prioritization of advanced virtual human technologies. Music-aligned holistic 3D dance generation via hierarchical motion modeling introduces Soul Dance, a high-quality 3D dance dataset paired with music, which captures full body motion, hand gestures, and facial expressions. The accompanying framework, SoulNet, generates coordinated and emotionally consistent dance performances using hierarchical motion modeling and learned music dance alignment priors. It also proposes two evaluation metrics, Emotion Align Score and MMR Matching Score, that assess how well the generated movements align rhythmically and expressively with music. This system directly enhances virtual performers, avatars in music experiences, and synthetic entertainers by allowing nuanced, music-driven animation in virtual concerts or social platforms. Stable Animator Plus+, Overcoming Pose Misalignment and Face Distortion for Human Image Animation tackles the challenge of identity preservation in human image animation, which is critical for realistic virtual humans and AI companions. The paper introduces a learnable SVD-guided pose alignment module to handle scaling, rotation, and translation in animated sequences. It also presents a novel Hamilton-Jacobi-Bellman, HJB-based face optimization algorithm applied only at inference time, improving facial detail during denoising. A global content-aware face encoder and distribution-aware ID adapter are designed to embed identity features into video diffusion models without degrading quality. These contributions support high-fidelity animation of virtual characters in dynamic or cinematic contexts, applicable in digital storytelling, influencer content, and immersive media. Mesh Mamba, state space models for articulated 3D mesh generation and reconstruction, advances the creation of realistic avatars and 3D digital humans by introducing Mesh Mamba, a neural architecture using Mamba-based state space models, SSMs, for dense 3D mesh generation. The paper proposes a novel vertex serialization approach based on UV maps or 3D coordinates, allowing efficient modeling of articulated human figures. It also presents Mamba Diff 3D, a diffusion-based generator that accurately captures complex deformations such as clothing and hand poses, outperforming transformer models in quality and speed. For mesh reconstruction, Mamba HMR enables real-time recovery of whole-body 3D models from single images. These tools support the creation and animation of responsive avatars in gaming, metaverse environments, and real-time digital experiences. So you never miss out on new videos and help our content reach more awesome people like you. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, and hit that bell icon.